You hear that? I know. So it sounds like it's in distress. Oh, oh, red-tailed hawk. Oh, a striped hawk and something. It's like attacking. Did it get it? It's like a hawk is eating another bird. Here it is. What just flew up? Careful, Winter. Wow. I don't hear anything else anymore. No, I had seen a red-tailed hawk and it had like a reddish bird in its talons. And so it was birds attacking other birds. So I don't hear it anymore, but yeah. Yep. Holy moly, girls, huh? And that's why even Terrence is on his way out. That was cry for help in nature, you know. I was just talking about how there wasn't noise pollution, and those are the type of things you hear out in the woods. I just turned off my phone, and then all of a sudden I heard that and turned it right back on again. So I don't think you got a glimpse of it. You may have gotten a glimpse of the different birds like scuffling kind of, but not necessarily. There was a white and black striped tail and the hawk, and then the reddish tinted bird. I don't think it was like a cardinal or anything, but it was like an orangish red. So
even Terrence thinks it's interesting.
Yeah, Terrence is like, what in the going on? It's because my family's out here in the woods. What's going on?
Hi, Gideon.